Our lesson now is about coordinate geometry and equation of the straight line. We start our lesson by talking about the midpoint of a straight line. Now, if I have a straight line, say I'm having this straight line, and I have the points on the straight line. This is point A that has the coordinate x1 with y1. And I have this point B which has the coordinate x2 with y2. The midpoint between A and B lies at the center point between these 2 points. I can call it M. In order to find M, simply M is equal, coordinate of M is x1 plus x2 over 2 with y1 plus y2 over 2. And this is the coordinate of the midpoint between these 2 points. Now let's have an example. The example says, find the coordinates of the midpoint of the straight line joining A, which has the coordinates 2 with 4, and the point B, which has the coordinates -6 with -9. Simply, I have to label the point A as x1 and x2. So the 2 is x1 and this is y1, the 4. And B is this is x2 and this is y2. To find the midpoint between A and B, simply the midpoint is equal to x1, which is 2, plus x2, which is the -6, all of it over 2, with y1, which is 4, plus y2, which is the -9, all of it over 2. This is equal to 2 plus the -6, it gives me -4, over 2, it gives me -2. And the second point, I have 4 minus 9, which is -5, over 2, I keep it as -5 over 2. This is the midpoint between A and